Nagkupa kami dyan. Isar kami dyan.
And the
2 months man lang. Anit ng Bakino.
Ito pala itong sawangan sa Embarcadero.
Yung kami nag-start oh.
Somewhere
Yung sa street na yan.
Ito pala itong sawangan.
Masa tayo?
Sa Wakan dyan, sa likod ng bundok na yan oh.
Diyan pala yung park.
Yung Kapunturan Hill ba yan?
Okay. Yes, baby.
Sa likuran yan. Doon.
Tama, when we get Balik, I will enter the mall. We will make laog to the mall. And
Dito, puro kaya hinadangan yan. Tamsayan yan. Rotondo yan. Pag yung tamakaroon.
you will buy whatever you want within the budget. The Embarcadero is wala na.
Pambayan na lang yan ng
Sayang. Sayang. Bakit ito pinabayaan niya? Kagaragang dalugod ka place. Boulevard.
Likudan kayo na.
Somewhere else. It's
LTO yan eh, kaya may gunto. PNP. PNP to.
It's engineering.
Ay, LTO pala.
Yeah. Sa Singapore, meron na.
Paano nila yung nagagawa?
It's engineering.
Paano nga yun natatanggalan na?
Sa likod na yan, sa
may
Wangan na.
ginagamit sila pang liikot pa naman. Tinitimba nila yun.
Yun o.
Tinitimba.
Tinitimba nila yun. Okay.
Anyway, it's possible. You make timba-timba and then that's the Sawangan. I thought it's somewhere else. But it's the we were here last time and we did not appreciate it because of the
Yung kay Lenny.
Yung baka tayo nagpa-picture oh.
yung sobrang pating init.
Kay Magellan baka tayo nagpa-picture yan.
Dito pala ito, ganda pala ito pagbanggi. Ang ganda ito pagbanggi.
Ito, itong sa Wangan.
Because there are lights.
Yung pasiring yan naman sa Highland.
Bawal na pala dito
Oh yeah,
Bakit?
it's ages ago. Magaganda yung pagbanggi because of the lights. There, tambay tayo there. Hindi, we have the shades there. Doon tayo maupo sa facing the
I was out just
facing the dagats.
to your side.
At least here, it's libre.
Baltog. Baltog pala ito.
Just to us.
Tayo sa nakikita natin, doon tayo ma-park. And then, we will sit there in front of the sea.
Mindset lang.
Oh, here. You park here. Yeah, here. Oh, very good. Oh my God. There you are. Oh my God. Oh,
Pwede ka na dun
you're
sa-
far from the rest of the world.
They are exercising.
We will exercise too, no problem.
Exercise.
Oh my God, I love this.